do now.
Hi guys, here we are at Rowston level crossing in the Consumer Joe and Andrew. Here we go, get ready for the bang. There we go. Now the time is 17:42 on Thursday the 18th of June 2015. This is for our 1816 478 Tango EWS service from Wakefield Europort to London Gateway.
Won't be going slow.
Hey?
Won't be going slow to wreck just before
Oh.
Rowston.
Well, yeah, because that... Andrew, it should usually go red green before it gets to it.
What about you? The signal just outside Roskington. Just outside 7110. Got to be red because 207.
I don't even know which signal you mean by saying those numbers. Let's go check on my dog. Let's go check on the dog. She's alright.
Dog?
Yeah, making sure her choke chain's on properly so she doesn't... Have a look, yeah. Good girl. Right, stay there. Be a good dog. Right.
So the 17... messed that up.
And
So
messed
the
that up.
17... Hey!
Can't see it. Right, here she is. Just seen it.
Yeah. Today is not actually much. 17.
42.
I need some better shots of that. Needs to be going really slow. Sleeper's not left yet.
Sharty
Not
Leicester.
sleeping not yet.
As you say, Sharty Leicester.
Leicester?
Sound like Phil off.
Even after turning a yellow on the automatic signal, just can't sleep at north.
Saying Sharty, I sound like Phil off from EastEnders.
Leicester? Right, yeah, it's got a red silver.
Right, here she comes. Blooming heck, birds, that was a risk.
Should go quite so it's only just got a yellow.
No, it's going normal speed. We've got 66 160. And here comes she to 66 160 to London Gateway. And that's bouncy.
Don't they go?
No, Andrew. Up they go.
Don't they go? And they do a little hoover in the air.
Thank you guys. We'll see you in tomorrow's videos.